In Creo 12, in the context of face milling enhancements, we address the request of easily knowing which coordinate system is being used for a specific sequence. This improvement is giving the user the option to customize the display of sequence coordinate systems in the model tree. When we open the 3 columns command in the UI, then select the machining parameters type and search and select orientation, then OK, we can see in the model tree which coordinate system is assigned to each operation or NC sequence. The next improvement is about defining and controlling a finishing pass for face milling sequences. For that, we need to set a value for the bottom stock allowance parameter. When the user set the finishing pass to yes, a final pass is added and you will notice 2 additional parameters to control it: finish cut fit and finish spindle speed. When reviewing the CL data, specifically for that final finishing pass, we can confirm that both spindle and cut fits are now controlling that final pass independently of the other slices of the NC sequence. I can say that these parameters provide better control on the creation of face milling sequences. All of this consistent with Creo NC workflows. Thank you for your attention.